Hello guys, this is Christian Cop 1 or C Powell. I am in Roblox. I have officially downloaded and updated Screencast-O-Matic. That way I can record videos on Roblox. So I am going to basically be this way. I am going to use my computer for Roblox gaming and all that kind of cool stuff. And my phone is going to be used for mobile recordings. And when I say mobile, it means I'm going to be moving around a lot and I'm going to record myself walking with people and all and trying out stuff outside my room, which will be my recording area. So, basically, we are in Roblox. I already see 2 people in PGHO Films' Peaceful Land. Let's check them out real quick. I probably might as well do the FNF recordings for like might as well do the FNF recordings Roblox Funky Friday for like maybe tomorrow, today, whatever I decide. But tonight I might as well go to Six Flags. Now, every time I enter a Roblox game, I always type in this. It isn't really anything major. It's just it's just a habit I do every time I play Roblox games, so it's nothing to freak out about. Okay, there's not a lot of people playing PGHO Films' Peaceful Land, so I might as well leave. And I think I am going to... Or should I go ahead and do it now? I do not know. Alright, that's what I'm going to say. Be sure you like and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Until then, well, yeah, like, subscribe, notification bell, turn on to all notifications, and until the next time I record like this, good luck. And also, PBS. I am not the real PGHO Films. I am a fan of PGHO Films. That's him. I'm just a fan of him. Just so you know, I was actually saying that because I was checking up. I'm looking on the lookout for PGHO Films, but for now I'll do the FNF recordings.